So sagutin natin yung nag-comment sa ating comment section regarding C-Bank. Ma'am, hanggang kailan ang promo ng paying 5 times using debit card reward 160 pesos? Waiting pa kasi card ko. Salamat. Ayan. Regarding yan dun sa C-Bank debit card, when you order your first ever C-Bank debit card, you get your card back fee as long as nag-spend ka ng 5 times. Pero bago mag-spend ng 5 times, i-activate mo muna yan within 30 days ha. Your card back fee and then pindutin lang natin yan. Actually, nag-start to June 7, 2025. Pero get your card fee back. Sabi niya, get 160 pesos back when you use your physical card and 5 times within 30 days of activation. So once you receive your first ever C-Bank debit card, dapat i-activate mo agad yan. And much better mag-spend ka kaagad ng 5 times na no minimum amount. And then, in your 5th transaction, papasok yung or makikredit yung 160 pesos. Pero based on my experience, after 2 days, kung na-receive ng asawa ko yung 160 pesos which is yung card back fee. Actually, wala naman nakalagay kung kailan. Ayan, ipapakita ko na lang din sa screen. Ilalagay ko na sa screen na walang nakalagay na specific date kung kailan mag-e-end yung promong ito. Pero one thing is for sure, it started nung June 7, 2025. I think mas maganda you download your C-Bank now, open your C-Bank account, and don't forget to use my referral code MARCH26 para makakuha ka ng referral reward na 75 pesos, but make sure na mag-deposit ka ng 1,000 pesos and hold it for 3 days only, and that is very legit. And follow for more.